Okay, I thought I'd just give a very quick review on a extractor I just picked up. So far I'm very pleased with it. I haven't seen this brand before, but I saw it at an event this weekend. I was very impressed by some of the features and the price. Showed up today. All I've done so far is put the legs on it and mounted the handle on it, and just snapped the clear plexiglass covers on top, and that's all I've done. It's still covered with the white film over the stainless steel. This is all stainless steel, but it's a Lyson Optima W2019N. It's made in Poland, and seems to be very well made. I already have an extractor, but it's a little bit bigger than this one, and it is also a manual, and it's just a little bit big and bulky for what I have. I have 3 hives, and actually going to do a top bar hive this year, so I'll have 4, but I just didn't like manhandling the bigger one I had. The one I have now is a 4 frame deep extractor. This particular hive will handle 2 deeps or 4 mediums. But just some of the features that I like about this. First off, it's all stainless steel through and through. Even the valve here, well, I can't think of the name of what you call those right now. It's all stainless steel. One of the things I did notice about it is that it's all welded, and it's completely flush with the bottom of the tank. So very little tipping. I have to tip this very little to get all the honey out of it. My other one, there was probably a 1/2 inch gap between the bottom of the outlet and the bottom of the tank, so you had a lot of honey in there. And again, as you can see, I haven't even removed the stainless or the protective film on the stainless steel yet. There is 3 different adjustments depending on where you mount your leg as far as the mounting height. Very simple. I think what I'm going to do is probably cut like a 4x4 piece of plywood and mount the legs permanently to that. Then I can lean it up my garage and put this on fairly quick, so I can actually stand on the plywood and spin this. But just from spinning it empty, I can tell a noticeable difference between this one and the one I already have. You can't see it here, but it does have stainless steel gears, or it has steel gears, not plastic on the inside, and it's a worm drive type of gear. And also it works on the same principle as as a bicycle. It's always engaged, and when you stop, it free spins. You don't have to pull the handle back or anything like that to get it to disengage. Plus, if you turn the handle backwards, it actually works as a brake. Really, it's just sort of like just the same principle as a bicycle. And it's very smooth. Again, it holds 4 mediums or 2 deeps. There's plastic covers, viewing covers. It does have a cone-shaped bottom where the center is higher than the edges, so the honey will flow to the edges and straight to the valve, which is flush with the bottom, which I really like that. So it weighs, I think the shipping on the box said 38 pounds or so. I think it's roughly 18 inches in diameter, and looks like maybe 24, I don't know, 30 inches tall. I don't know for sure. It probably says somewhere, but I didn't look at that. But anyway, it is again made in Poland, and very pleased with it. I paid $279 for this one, and compared to the other models that I was looking at, and the features of this one had several features that models that were more expensive did not have. So anyway, it's, you know, I'm a long ways from harvesting honey. It's still winter here, but I'll be putting this back in the box and storing it till later this year. But looking forward to using it, and hopefully you enjoyed the real simple review. There's a couple other videos, I believe, that shows this extractor, but not a very detailed review of it. But again, it's a Lyson model. They also make this is probably almost their entry level. They make very large extractors, motorized and so forth, for those that have big operations. But that's my review of it, and I haven't extracted, so I can't tell you about that, but from all indications, I'll be very pleased. Thank you.